Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be covering a brand new product. Make sure you do me a favor, hit both the like and the subscribe button on your way in. But today we're going to be covering the Aria Pod Plus from BLU. These are the wireless Bluetooth earbuds. These are the new ones, and they do come in the gray. They also do come with a metal case, which is going to be sleeker than the iPhone case. It's going to be sleeker than any case that I've ever even held. The AirPods Pro, basically like any Samsung case as well. So these are going to be extremely compatible for your for comfort when you're traveling with them, and even when you have them in your hand, you're gonna feel the quality of these things. So we're gonna get into that in a little bit more detail, but let's first take a look at the first look and impressions of the BLU Aria Pods Plus. And the unboxing experience was even really good as well. So BLU, not only did they continue to basically just show us that they're going to give us one of the best presentations when it comes to earbuds, because it does come with this really nice box, and it does give you that Type-C charging cord, and it also does give you a user manual, which is going to give you all the controls that these do have to offer, and we'll get into that in just a second. But not only did you get that user manual, but you did get this metal case, which I can't stress how cool that is. You do get these two LED lights on the outside, which do show that it's charging, and you can lift that up and get an auto pairing mode when you lift that up, and you get those two blinking eyes. And I just can't stress how crazy that metal case feels. And you also do get those blinking buds when they are in pairing mode, so that's how you know that they are pairing. And once you do see those blinking, all you have to do is press pairing on your phone, and all you have to do is just hit the pairing button. And these do have Type-C charging as well, and just that sleek case, which is like a matte finish all around. It's a gray color, and I just really can't emphasize how good the fit of these are, and they are that half in ear fit. So they do offer that half in ear fit, like I just said, and those are going to be really snug in my.
So this is the microphones on the Aria Pods Plus. So let me know how the microphones sound right now, but I'm gonna walk towards where the cars are going, and let me know how the microphones sound. Right, these should be really good for phone calls. These should definitely be pretty good for listening to music, and they do get really loud. I was just listening to these, and the volume was extremely loud. It was so loud that I had to actually turn it down. I couldn't keep it at full 100% loudness, right? So I had to keep it at like 90, 95, maybe 80, just to be safe. But let me know what you guys think about the microphone.
These earbuds is that they do have the tap controls, double tap to pause. They also do have long hold to switch the songs. But not only that, they have a really good amount of bass and volume at the same time. So they're going to offer not only combination of crystal clear treble and really deep bass to bring your audio to life. Basically, they're going to have that 13mm dynamic driver included as well. And so basically, when you're in an outdoor environment, you don't have to put these like to the loudest, peak. You could put it at like 90% volume versus like 100%. And basically what's going to happen is that you're going to get really good sound quality out of these things. When it comes to the overall bass is just really good. I can't stress how good the bass on here is. It's just extremely solid dynamic sound quality that's going to come to life. And you do get a gaming mode on these, just in case you were curious. They do offer a gaming mode, which is a triple tap, and it will initiate that gaming mode immediately. But this aluminum metal case is extremely solid and durable. It's 18mm thin, and it's basically made of aluminum alloy, and it's basically just has really good strength to it. So you could sit on it, you could drop it, you could it basically will resist a lot of like daily grind and stuff like that. But you do get that sleek, comfortable fit with the Aria Pod Plus. Like I said before, it's just gonna fit in your ear perfectly. And you do get mono mode, or you can use the basically the dual mode, where you can use both of these earbuds simultaneously. So I do like the fact that they do offer that. You can listen to the right ear by itself, or you can listen to the left ear by itself. And that aluminum case, I can't stress how solid that case is. It's just really sleek. It's one of the smallest cases that I've ever held in my hand. And these earbuds also do have a really good sleek fit to them as well, and I just can't stress how good those fit. But the only thing I did notice is that these won't have like a water resistancy rating to them, but so I wouldn't recommend putting them in the water or anything like that. But if you actually charge these headphones for a short amount of period of time, I believe it's about, if you charge these things for roughly 15 minutes of charge, you can get 4 hours of listening time with these guys. So overall you're gonna get the 6 hours of listening time, but then with the case you're gonna get the 18 hours of listening time included. But on a single charge with each earbud, you can definitely get 6 hours with each earbud. So if you use them single mode, you can get 12 hours, and then in addition to the case as well. So I definitely think that that's pretty cool. But one of the things I did really enjoy about these earbuds is the pairing process, because all you have to do is lift up the case and they basically just automatically pair up to your smartphone after you lift the case, and it will just show up in the Bluetooth pairing option on your device. And like I said, you will get extremely good bass. You will also get a really nice gaming mode. When you triple tap the left or right earbud, you will get gaming mode. And like I said before, that gaming mode will be completely spot on when it comes to matching it with the whatever the vocals are doing and whatever the sound is and the lips and words are doing. It will match up completely. So I can't stress enough how good the sound of the bass on these earbuds. And I've heard a lot of earbuds when I've been listening to music, and I have to say that these are definitely gonna have a lot more bass than the EarPods from Apple. They're definitely gonna pump. They're definitely gonna give you a better kick and a better thump when you're listening to the bass. It's just when I was listening to the alternative music, I could hear the vocals in my left ear, and then I could hear the guitar riffs in my right ear separately. So the instrument separation was extremely good, and then you can just hear the snare and the you know what I'm saying, you could hear the treble and the deep bass as well, just coming alive. And the crystal clear sound of these is just extremely good. I'm just extremely impressed with these. I'd have to say that these are up there with the OnePlus earbuds that I did test out recently, which are one of my favorite earbuds, as well as the Soul Sync and ANC earbuds as well. These don't have the ANC or anything like that, but they do offer the gaming mode. But I'm just really impressed with the sound quality of these. It just has a solid range of bass, treble on the high end and low end, and I couldn't actually put these all the way up to 100% just to be completely 100% honest with you, because the sound on the volume was extremely loud when it came to putting them at 100%. And that was one of the things that was really good about them, is that the volume got extremely loud compared to other half-in-ear earbuds that I've tested out in the past. So I'd say these are probably on the louder scale when it comes to half-in-ear style earbuds. They'll definitely get a lot louder than most of the ones that I did test in the past. I'd have to say these are probably up there. And if I had to test out the bass and just rate the sound quality of the bass, I'd have to say that the bass would definitely be like almost a 10, like a 9.8. And I'd have to say that the volume would be like a 9.5. It's just really loud. And it's hard to match. But I really just enjoyed listening to the music on these. But let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the comment section and in the description section as well. But I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna meet you in the comment section right now. Later, crew. I'll check you guys on the next video. Peace.